Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In this session, we'll talk about user. In previous class, we talked about the theory, what's the user and its types. Today, we are going to know about some commands. We can use the id command to show information. id command to show the information about currently logged in user. These are the currently login user. Wait, I'll zoom in. Still, I'll zoom in. Okay. More than this. Zoom. Okay. In id command, it is used to show information about the currently logged in user. To view basic information about another user, like we are using this user. To view basic information about another user, pass the username id command as argument. Let's see. User user. We don't have another user like sorry, I forget that command. Let me check. id user 02. There is no such kind of user, but we have user hackers. This is our user, that's why we did id. First do id, then after id and our user. Okay, it's our user. We don't have another user, we'll add later. First we can use ls command l to view the owner of the file. See, for desktop this there is no second user. Then we can see also ls l and file folder name. Who is the owner of the folder? This one. No, there is not such a folder owner. ls al. There is no another folder. We'll add later. Also we can use psau. This is the to view the information currently. To view the information, process information, we use ps command. For we use ps u means username, a means view all process. See here, root. This one is psau. This command is run by normal user. This one hackers. Root user. For psau. Now I am running simple command like cat cd so thing, then see psau. Nothing here. Command only for this. cd clear ps means view to view the process information. A means all, u means user. That's it. We can also cat etc dot shadow shadow. We can also use shadow file for encrypted format. we can use getter shadow is not permission. That's sudo. Okay, this is our username. This is encrypted from. Also we get password from root daemons root password this. Okay, then we use shadow command. Now we will use passwd. Okay, it's our password. User being login password, no login ssid, everything else clear. Let's make a note. First we have to go office and then write a wait for a while. Previous session. First what we use id commands commands id for what? To show information about the currently and the currently logged in user. Then we use id user02 if there is an or another user. Only if there is another user. We can't see if there is not another user. Simply why it is used? To view basic information about another user. First, to know the basic user about another user, there must be another user. Okay, then we use another command. Let's remember ls l. Why it is used? To view the owner of a file. You can also use lsld. To know the owner of the directory. This is for owner of the file, lsld. To know the owner of the directory. To know or view the owner owner of a directory. Again we use another command lsl and file name. Both are similar. Then we use ps command to view the process information like process running information. For we use letter AU, where A is a option is used to view all PROC processes. Then U and U means U to view US user with PROC. Okay guys, simply note this. That's for it today.